Hello everyone. I just wanted to teach you how to change prices on a Royal Vision RVV 500. Sometimes if there's a power surge on your Royal Vision RVV 500, all the prices on the selections goes to 99.95. So here's how to change back the prices. So you open the door on your Royal Vision. Then you have to access the control board. There's a mode button here. I'll show you. So you have to press this button here. Once you press the button, it should go into error code. So what you do is select 2 and 8 is your up and down button. So you have to press 2 until you reach password. The default password for Coke Royal Vision RVV 500 is 4231 pound. So 4231 pound. So there you go, it goes to cash counter. So you just kept on pressing 2 until it goes to price program. Once it goes to price program, you press pound. If it's all RVV select, it means that if you have one price, you can set all prices the same. But if you just want to change an individual price like number 11, I'll show you how. So you go press number 2. Let's go to shelf 1. So you just press pound. Okay, so you press 2 to go to price selection 11. As you can see, it's 225. For instance, you want to change it to $1. I'll show you how to do it. So price selection 11, you press pound. So that's the default. I already price it at 225. If you want to change it to $1, so you just have to press number 2 to increase, then number 8 to decrease. So that's $1. So once you set it to $1, you just have to press pound to enter, to register it as $1. If you press pound, it will go to the next selection. Oh no, it's going to check if the price is $1. So if you press 2, it's going to the next selection, 12. If you press 8, it's gonna go back to 11. So let's price it back to 225. So you just play with number 2 and number 8. 8 is down, 2 is going up. So there you go. It's back to 225. So simply press pound to register. Okay, so there you go. Thank you for watching.